Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Make sure your Android and laptop share the same Wi-Fi network so discovery works reliably. Once done, enable developer options on Android and turn on USB debugging if you plan a wired connection. This avoids connection refusals. Install the mirroring method you chose on the laptop, for example, SCRCPY for low-latency wired mirroring or a desktop casting receiver for wireless. I'll explain why each matters as we move to connection steps. Now you make the actual connection. For a wired approach, plug the USB cable, accept the prompt on Android and launch SCRCPY or an ADB-based mirror. This gives lower latency and reliable input. For wireless, open Android's cast or screencast option, locate your laptop's receiver app, and tap to connect. Wireless is convenient but depends on network quality. Make sure to adjust resolution, scale, and enable audio forwarding if needed, because those settings control performance versus quality. Finish by testing control and playback. Check touch input if supported, confirm audio sync, and play a short video to evaluate latency. If you experience lag, switch to a wired USB session, lower the mirrored resolution, or close other apps consuming bandwidth. These steps prioritize responsiveness. If the laptop doesn't appear during discovery, restart Wi-Fi on both devices, reboot the receiver app, and if using USB, reauthorize debugging. One key tip: toggling Wi-Fi off and on often clears discovery issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.